We are stronger together. This is a fundamental law of nature. A lone wolf struggles to survive, but a pack thrives. Humans are social creatures. We need each other. We are at our best when we support each other. Think of a time you felt alone. Did you wish for someone to talk to, someone to share the burden? Now think of a time you felt supported. Remember the feeling of strength and resilience. This is the power of unity. When we stand together, we face challenges with courage. We celebrate victories with joy. We find comfort in shared experiences. We draw strength from each other. The bond between siblings is special. It's forged in shared experiences. Growing up together creates a unique understanding. We learn to rely on each other. We celebrate triumphs and offer comfort during setbacks. I remember my brother and I exploring the fields near our home. We built forts, chased butterflies and shared secrets. These moments created a bond that time cannot break. Sibling relationships teach us valuable lessons. We learn to share, to forgive and to resolve conflicts. We discover the power of unconditional love. These lessons stay with us throughout our lives. Sometimes we find kinship beyond blood ties. We meet people who become like family. These are the friends who stand by us through thick and thin. They are there. These friendships are precious. They offer the same warmth and support as family. They enrich our lives in countless ways. We share laughter, tears, and unforgettable moments. These bonds remind us that family is not just about blood, it's about love, loyalty, and shared experiences. It's about finding people who accept us for who we are. Section 4. Respect, the foundation of unity. Respect is crucial for any strong relationship. It means valuing each person's uniqueness. It means listening with an open mind and heart. It means treating others with kindness and understanding. When we respect each other, we create a safe space for everyone to thrive. We foster an environment of trust and collaboration. We build bridges instead of walls. Disagreements may arise, but with respect, we can navigate these challenges constructively. We can find common ground and build stronger connections. Respect is the foundation of a harmonious society. Section 5. Building bridges, building communities. Each of us has a role to play in building a better world. We can start by nurturing our own communities. Reach out to your neighbours, get involved in local initiatives. Volunteer your time to a cause you believe in. Small actions can have a ripple effect. A simple act of kindness can brighten someone's day. A helping hand can make a world of difference. Let's create a world where everyone feels valued and supported. Remember, we are all connected. We are part of something much larger than ourselves. Let's embrace the power of unity. Let's build a future filled with hope, compassion, and shared prosperity.